2025 Volkswagen Corrado marks the return of an iconic nameplate, redesigned and re-engineered for the modern era. Originally launched in the late 1980s as a performance-oriented coupe, the Corrado quickly gained a cult following thanks to its unique styling, engaging dynamics, and innovative technology like the active rear spoiler. In its latest iteration, the 2025 Corrado blends its historic legacy with cutting-edge technology, sleek aesthetics, and refined performance to compete in a market increasingly dominated by electric and hybrid offerings. Volkswagen has taken a bold step by reintroducing the Corrado in a time when the automotive world is rapidly transitioning towards sustainability and digital connectivity. Rather than simply reproducing a retro design, the German automaker has infused the new Corrado with modern features and performance enhancements that appeal to both nostalgic enthusiasts and a new generation of drivers. Available in both traditional, combustion and hybrid powertrains, the 2025 Corrado aims to serve a diverse market seeking a sporty, stylish, and practical coupe. From the outside, the 2025 Volkswagen Corrado presents a design that is unmistakably modern, yet tastefully nostalgic. The exterior silhouette pays homage to the original model with a wide, low-slung stance and a coupe-like roofline that flows seamlessly into the integrated rear spoiler. The front fascia features slim LED matrix headlights and a minimalist grille that accentuates the car's aerodynamic profile. Volkswagen has implemented active aerodynamics to enhance performance and fuel efficiency, and the Corrado's dynamic styling is as much about form as it is function. The side profile emphasizes muscular wheel arches and a slightly flared rear, giving the coupe a planted, aggressive look. Standard 18-inch alloy wheels and optional 20-inch forged alloys highlight the car's sporty intentions, while subtle badging and available contrasting roof colors allow for personalization. The rear end is dominated by a sleek LED light bar stretching across the tailgate, echoing design elements seen in other recent Volkswagen models like the ID series. A pop-up rear spoiler, reminiscent of the original Corrado, automatically deploys at higher speeds to improve downforce and add a touch of drama to the driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Corrado offers a compelling mix of powertrains aimed at different types of drivers. The base model is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivering 255 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque, mated to either a 6-speed manual or an optional 7-speed DSG dual-clutch transmission. This setup delivers brisk acceleration and sharp throttle response, with a 0-60 mph time of around 5.8 seconds. Volkswagen's renowned MQB Evo platform ensures a well-balanced chassis with responsive handling and a smooth, composed ride. For buyers seeking a more eco-conscious option, Volkswagen offers a plug-in hybrid variant that pairs the same 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor and a 13.5 kWh battery pack. This configuration delivers a combined output of 300 horsepower while offering an electric-only range of around 35 miles, ideal for city commuting. Regenerative braking, adjustable drive modes, and an e-boost function allow drivers to tailor the hybrid system to their needs. A performance-tuned version, possibly badged as the Corrado R, is rumored to be in development, featuring an upgraded powertrain that could exceed 350 horsepower and include all-wheel drive capability. Inside, the 2025 Corrado represents a fusion of traditional German craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. The cabin is driver-focused, with a low seating position, bolstered sports seats, and a clean dashboard layout that emphasizes both visibility and control. Premium materials such as Alcantara, brushed aluminum, and soft-touch plastics are used throughout the interior, creating an upscale atmosphere that feels both sporty and refined. The dashboard is dominated by a 12.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that integrates seamlessly with Volkswagen's latest MIB4 software. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, as do multiple USB-C ports and a wireless charging pad. A customizable 10.25-inch digital cockpit provides real-time driving data and navigation, and voice control powered by natural language processing allows drivers to interact with the vehicle effortlessly. Optional features include a 14-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, ambient lighting with 30 color choices, and heated and ventilated front seats. Space in the Corrado is impressive for a coupe. The front seats offer ample legroom and headroom, while the rear seats, although tighter, are suitable for short trips or younger passengers. The rear hatchback design improves practicality, offering a surprisingly spacious cargo area that can be expanded by folding down the 60-40 split rear seats. Volkswagen has also integrated numerous storage solutions within the cabin, including door bins, a deep center console, and hidden compartments. When it comes to safety and driver assistance, the 2025 Corrado is equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced technologies. Standard safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and autonomous emergency braking. Optional enhancements like a head-up display, traffic, jam assist, and a 360-degree camera system provide added convenience and peace of mind. Volkswagen's Travel Assist feature, which enables semi-autonomous driving on highways, is also available on higher trims. The 2025 Volkswagen Corrado is competitively priced, aiming to undercut some premium sports coupes while offering more features than similarly priced rivals. The base model starts at around $36,000, with the plug-in hybrid variant coming in at approximately $42,000. Fully loaded versions with performance and luxury upgrades could approach the $50,000 mark. Volkswagen plans to offer a variety of trim, levels, and customization packages, ensuring that buyers can tailor the Corrado to their preferences without overspending. Overall, the 2025 Volkswagen Corrado is a thoughtfully executed revival of a beloved classic. It retains the spirit of the original, with a focus on sporty design and performance, while embracing modern expectations for technology, efficiency, and comfort. The availability of multiple powertrains, including a potent plug-in hybrid, allows the Corrado to appeal to a broad spectrum of buyers, from enthusiasts craving a manual transmission to eco-conscious commuters looking for style without compromise. Its sharp design, engaging dynamics, and well-appointed interior position it as a standout option in the compact sports coupe segment. Volkswagen has successfully struck a balance between heritage and innovation with the new Corrado. Rather than leaning solely on nostalgia, the company has delivered a car that can stand on its own merits in today's market. It's a rare blend of practicality and performance, wrapped in a striking design that pays tribute to its roots without being constrained by them. As the automotive world continues to evolve, the 2025 Corrado serves as a reminder that performance and emotion still have a vital place on the road.